Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Epic Games wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Epic Games Launcher app. Now if you're using your web browser, then type in epicgames.com in the address bar and press enter. If you're on the launcher, then log into your account and click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. From your web browser, just log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your credentials, and then from the home page, you can hover over to your account icon and click on account as well. You will now be taken into your account settings page, from which, in order to add funds onto your Epic Games Store wallet, just click on Payment Management. This will now show you your wallet balance, and you can just add funds to your wallet by clicking on Add Funds. Now type in your parental control PIN if you have set it to your account, and now choose your desired balance. Then you will be able to choose your payment method, which includes your credit card or your PayPal account. After selecting your payment method, proceed forward with the checkout button or the PayPal button, and now proceed with logging into your PayPal account by entering your email address and password for this account, or log in using a verification code. If you chose credit card, then you will need to enter your credit card payment details. This includes your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number. Once you have finalized and made your payment, the fund will be deducted from your payment method and it will be added to your Epic wallet balance right away. And once your balance has been added, you can use your Epic Games wallet balance in order to purchase any games. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds onto your Epic Games wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.